Transition Tuesday.
This is hip hop of the day. I give props to hip hop, so hip hop hooray! Ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Hip hop hooray! Ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey.
What's the story? It's D.O.G here with another Transition Tuesday. Today we're looking at mixing Naughty by Nature, Hip Hop Hooray into Arrested Development, Everyday People. I'm using an acapella out of Naughty by Nature. So I've set the cue points up on Hey and Ho on the Naughty by Nature track. So we start Arrested Development under the chorus. Note that this is the chorus in version of Arrested Development. So once the chorus hits, just follow through with scratches or just hit vocal cues on Naughty by Nature. And that's it. I'm back again next week with another Transition Tuesday. Until then, good luck.
Transition Tuesday.